Life cycle of a chicken. We will learn life cycle of chicken. What is this? Who all likes egg? You all like egg? Even I like egg. Okay. So what is this? Egg. Okay. Now what will happen? Who likes egg? Even I like egg. Who doesn't like egg? Who doesn't like egg? You all don't like egg? Okay. So this is egg. Okay, what is happening here? The egg is hatching, breaking. Yes, hatching is nothing but breaking. What is happening here? Egg is breaking. And what has come out? Chick. Good. What has come out? Chick. Hen. So what is this? Egg. Then what happens to the egg? It will break. Then what comes out? Chick. Then the chick will grow into hen. Egg. Then what is happening here? The egg is
breaking.
yes. And what has come out?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will become
Hen.
hen. Good boy. High five. Yes. What is this?
Egg.
Egg. What is happening here?
Break.
What is breaking? What is breaking? Egg is breaking. And then what is coming out from the egg?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will grow into
Big hen.
yes. Good boy. High five. Yes. Shivanshi, what is this?
Egg.
Egg. What is happening here?
Motor break.
Yes, egg is
Egg is breaking.
breaking. And then what is coming out from the egg?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will grow into
Big hen.
yes. Good girl. High five. Suryansh, what is this?
Egg.
Egg. What is happening to the egg?
Walk.
Yeah, the egg is breaking. And then what came out from the egg?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will grow into
Hen.
and good boy. High five. Ashvi? Egg. Egg. Egg.
Head.
What is happening here? The egg is breaking.
Breaking.
Then what came out? Chick.
Chick.
Then the chick will grow into chicken.
Chicken.
Okay, good. What is this?
Egg.
Egg. Now what is happening here?
Chick.
The egg is what is happening? It is breaking.
Breaking.
And then what comes out from the egg?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will become
Chicken.
good girl.
Egg.
Egg. What is happening here? The egg is breaking.
Breaking.
Then what comes out of the egg?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will grow into
Chicken.
chicken. Good girl. High five. What is this, Anvi?
Egg.
Egg. What is happening here?
खुल गया वो.
What it is breaking. And then what comes out?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will grow up and become a hen. Good girl. High five. This
Egg.
egg. What is happening here? What is happening here in Akadeli? The egg is
Egg is
breaking. Breaking.
Break.
And what comes out of the egg?
breaking.
Yeah, breaking done. What comes out of the egg? Chick. Then the chick will grow into big
Big.
hen.
Egg.
Okay, good boy. High five. Wait, what is this?
Egg.
What is happening here?
Breaking.
Then what happened? What comes out?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will turn into
Egg.
Egg. What is happening here?
Bake.
Yeah, the egg is
Bake.
breaking. Then what will come out?
Chick.
Chick. Then the chick will grow up and become a
Hang.
hen. Good boy. High five. This.
Egg.
What is happening here?